Hey y'all, it's me, Summy J, candle maker, black owned business, small business owner, whatever you want to call me. This is also the cute shirt that I did just get from my cousin Keisha. She, makes shirts custom made. The link will be in below as well. Let's get into this video. So first, what we're going to do today is make two candles for my candle line. So first, I'm just showing you our supplies we are going to use. Our two candle fragrances, our candle containers, 8 ounce we're using today from Uline. So first thing we are going to do is make sure we do sanitize our tins. We do double boil this in just with 70% alcohol, just so any fragrances from the past ones are not left behind and go into the new candle scents. Also, first thing first, you have to have a notebook, something for you to write down everything you do in as a business owner and candle owner, just to have so you can look back at. So what you see me doing now, I'm just measuring out our wax. We do try to measure it out to exactly 556 grams of wax. I try to do for 3 8-ounce candles, but I do go over a little bit just in case so I can have extra just to fill the top. So we're going to do about 558 grams for both of the fragrances we are doing today. So we just gotta make sure we have at least 558 grams for both of the fragrances we're using, so we can have just an equal pour out. So we got exactly that for all, and what we're gonna do is double boil these on the stove. You can also get like a candle maker from Candle Science or anywhere. I choose just to do the double boil method. It's just very easier, especially for first timers. So now what we're going to do is just add our wicks to the candle containers. I use a hot glue gun. I have used the stickers before, but sometimes they just don't stick well. And what I am doing now is also cleaning them out with the 70% alcohol with just paper towel, just from any debris from shipping. You just want to make sure you get that out before you do add the candle wax, and also have your candle wicks holders as well, just to keep your candle wicks in place. I probably said that wrong. Oh well, you know what I mean, the candle holders. So now we're just hot gluing those in those candle containers. Also use the little wick holders as well to press them down so they won't come off when the hot wax hit them. They can just stay secure as well. So we added our wicks into each of the container. So now we're just going to go check on our wax just to make sure it's melting fine. Don't try to go anything over 200 Fahrenheit so it don't overheat and also burn the wax. I also don't add any fragrance to each of my candle waxes until 160 degrees Fahrenheit. They do recommend 165 online, but I'd rather do 160. I'm also adding 45 grams of fragrance to 3 8-ounce candles. You can add a little bit more, but just for safety, I do try to add just about 45 to 50 grams of the fragrance to about 3 8-ounce candles. So let me see here. We're just gonna get that all separated, also not to get any in the other containers. Don't want to get that mixed smell. Get that all poured in, and now we're just gonna stir. You can also stir for about 1 to 2 minutes just so you can thoroughly have the fragrance hot throw and cold throw scent great, just like that. And after you stir that for about 1 to 2 minutes, now you're just gonna pour them in your containers. Some people also do recommend just pouring them halfway. Since I have been doing this for about a year, I just don't do that. I just pour them until I feel they're exact right, and then go a little bit over the top. But for our first time beginners, I do recommend just to go halfway and then just go back and fill in the rest. Your girl gotta make sure, get down on the pimp lean, make sure everything's straight, nothing is overfilling. So I forgot to show you guys what fragrances I'm using I get from Candle Science. The first one was the Jamaican Me Crazy. The second one we are using, I do get these from Candle Science, is the Magnolia and Peony. Those are one of my favorites. That's the Summer Love and also the Paradise. So now we're just adding in our second fragrance candles for the next 3.